Hello guys, welcome to benzblog. Now I'm here and the generator sets. So this is 100 kVA. So this one I'm going to do for the L series. Somebody knows L series? What is the function of L series? L series. This is the one who control your speed. This is an electronic governor that can fit it and the injection pump. Now, how we can work on this? So meaning, this L series, you need a program for this one to work. So, for example, we have here, we are connected the L series connections for the programming. Now, it is necessary for you to do the program which is needed. Well, you need also the magnetic pickup to ensure that this L series will work, because without the magnetic pickup it will not work. So now I'm trying to do the program. We already done put the fuel and oil and coolant. We are already done, and also the program for the controller is we done it already. So now we can start the engine. So first thing, you need to pump first the fuel. So because this one is automatic pumping, so now it is pumping. See here, so this is the pumping for your fuel. So this is the fuel pump. It is automatically run if you off the fuel relay. I think it's okay. So now we are going to start the engine. So I was going to start. So if you are going to start the engine, supposedly you can see here the value of the set point and the actual speed in your computer or either the laptop. So if you start to crank, supposedly you see the value of your speed point and the actual speed. Now I will start. As you can see, there is no value is showing to you because there is some issues. Now we're going to look what is really happening to our L series. Now if the issue is not starting, so you're going to look first the connections if there is a supply. I bring some multimeter, so we're going to test if there is some supply for your in series. So I'm going to check. The supply, this one is the number is 1 and 5. So 5 is the negative and 1 is the positive. Now as you can see, we have 12 volts. So I put it in the connections around 1 and 5. 1 is positive and 5 is negative. So there is 12 volts, so meaning there is a supply. Now, second to do, you're going to check the connection of your magnetic pickup. So we're going to check that by what we call the resistance tests. Now, since because the magnetic pickup there is a winding inside, so you can identify if the resistance is still there or the winding is still there. So meaning if there is resistance, so meaning the magnetic pickup is still in a good conditions. Now supposed to be you can read it around 800 or 900 ohms, that one. Now we're going to check that. So the connections of your magnetic pickup, or what we call the MPU, is in your 3 and 11. So we're going to check that, and then so we're going to put in the multimeter for resistance. Now I'm going to check it. Okay, so I think the positions of my resistor is correct, but it's showing in the multimeter is nothing resistance. As you can see, I put it in the 3 and 11. That is the connections of your magnetic pickup. So meaning now we're going to remove the magnetic pickup. So in order to check accurately if we are correct, so now we're going to remove it. So wait for a while. I will take some tools to remove this magnetic pickup. So now I'm going to remove the magnetic pickup. So as you can see, I have the tools down here, so we can remove it. Remove it from here in the pin. Just pull it out, remove the lock and pull it out. Lose it. So until it is removed from there. attachment. Now we're going to check if it is dirt or something. It is very clean, and if you check the magnetism, still have the magnetism. The magnetism is good, and the area of this tip is clean. But the problem is, I'm going to show you again. We're going to check still the resistance maybe it's now happening. Okay, so I'm going to test back again the resistance. So as you hear, there is a sound, so meaning the rod is working fine. And now I'm going to test, making sure do not touch by your hands at the other side. So as you can see, there's nothing resistances, so meaning this is faulty. We need to replace, we need to get a new one from our this warehouse. So because if I was going to check if there is some stock for a magnetic pickup, then I will come back and reinstall it again, and we will start again back if it's working fine. So I'm going there, so just wait for a while. So guys, we are received already the magnetic pickup. This is from Morocco. So now I'm going to install this one. So inshallah it will working fine back to the normal. So I'm going to start the installations. So at this point we need a crimper, the pin, and the marker. First thing, we're going to assure that this one is in a good condition. Before installing. So now so as you can see, we have the resistance of 1030. So meaning this is in a good condition. So during in the installations, making sure you're going to insert it full. Oh wow. Lagi. Insert it directly to the flywheel teeth. Make it sure it is touch. Make it sure that the wire is not become faulty. Just do it like that. Once you feel it is touching to the magnetic, in the flywheel teeth, so just release this one, the nut, again now it is touching. So now it is touching to the flywheel teeth. So meaning you are going to make this one a little bit tight, and then make sure that the marker will be in the correct position. Now just mark it also here, because we're going to turn it back again, guys. Once you touch in the flywheel teeth, put the marker and then turn it back and one cycle. So this is turning now for one cycle. So that's it. So we're going now to tighten it to assure it will not lose the position. So now next thing you are going to do is that is the position. See? And now I'm going to install this one. So I need the round crimper. This is the flat crimper. So just wait for a while.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think we're all eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, you're a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon.
So now we're going to insert it here. From 3, the red one, and the black one is 11. Now it's okay. I push it to the. It's okay. We'll cover back. Okay. And so we do to start first. We're going to, before we finalizing the loom, so in order to know if it is working now. So since it is connected, and so I will remove the things here so we can able to start up. So now I will try to start up the engine if it is working. Okay, so now I'm going to start. Check again if there is something and now make us a problem. So manual and then start. you can see, it is started, so meaning the time is not starting because our magnetic pickup is faulty. So we are correct, we replaced the new one and now it is starting. So now we're going to finalize the loom, so we're going to load test the rest. So okay, so now we're going to start and do the load testing. Start. We're done the load testing. So today you learn how to fix and troubleshoot if your engine is installed with L series, if the engine is not start and there is no feedback with your MPU, so you can check the problem. So now you know how to do and fix the MPU. So we're done here. So, and again I will say thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.